I'm in like a scarf. I'm an old man in a scarf. We're about to go to dinner. I'm just going to preface that saying I don't typically wear a scarf in the house, even though we're live right now. It's all recording.
Let me see what I've got on my sound over here.
Hello, Dave.
My sound is on. My sound is on.
Can you
hear me?
Yes,
okay.
We can hear you.
I cannot hear you now.
All right.
And my sound is on down here. Yeah. My sound is all the way up. My sound is all the way up. Make sure your mic on the computer. Where do I find my mic? Just a second, Annie. What are you doing?
Oh.
Why is she writing us a note?
Microphone.
How come we can't? Your computer sound isn't on. Computer sound isn't on.
My microphone's not on, Annie.
Oh, no.
Can you hear me, guys?
No.
Yes.
No, your
Can
mic,
you hear me?
No, your mic is on.
Now I can't hear you. I cannot hear you.
Oh, right there.
Oh, wait a minute.
Okay.
Oh, turn the speakers on, Annie.
That's what I was gonna say.
Turn the speakers off.
Can't explain.
Turn the speakers off. Are you guys there? I can hear you.
There you go.
That was my fault. I had the speakers off because I had a call come in.
Right, that's what I think.
All right. The sound was on the computer, but the speakers were off.
You guys all set up. So yeah, it looks like it's working.
Is that a Red Bull scarf?
Yes, you got it for me, Annie.
Shut up.
That you got for Christmas. You don't recognize this? You got it for Christmas.
Yeah, she does. That's why she asked.
It's a sugar-free Red Bull scarf.
Okay, we've got a job to do, right?
Right.
Yeah,
it looks
so
like
we're gonna take a picture, right?
No, yeah, I think we're gonna do a picture really quick.
You guys gotta count to 3 because it looks different on our end because it shows you when you talk. And
just say
so
1, 2.
You guys gotta count to 3 and then Nick will do a picture.
Just say 1, 2, 3 and I'll snap a picture really quick.
No, for a
the web chat. I'm not gonna. I just want to make sure all the functionality.
Mom.
Really?
Annie, come back.
I gotta make sure it works, Annie. Don't turn the lights off.
He doesn't have time to screw around. They're trying to go to dinner.
Annie, turn the lights on.
You guys don't look bad. It's blurry
not.
anyways.
I'm deleting it. It's not meant to be.
Okay. 1, 2. Oh, Dave, you got your dumb glasses on.
I don't care.
Just give me the 3 count. You guys go.
1.
Wait, Dave, come on.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
What?
Oh!
Shut up!
Oh!
You don't. Oh my God! Is that why you're going out? Oh my God! Oh dear! Oh my goodness!
Oh my God! Oh, now we gotta go down.
Oh no, we can't. We can't. Sorry.
Oh my God! I'm so happy.
Does Fred and Julie know yet?
No, they don't know yet. We're keeping it pretty close knit. right now.
So what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Well, we're gonna tell. I think
Throw up.
we're-
I'm gonna throw up every day.
We're probably
You know that.
we're probably gonna tell them at some point.
Oh my God.
Get close, just immediate family right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's obviously I don't have any work thing to do. That was a joke.
Oh my God.
I love you guys. I'm so happy for you.